So they sent me to the wrong Kellogg's. So it's the other one I'm going to. So I had to do a turnaround in there because this road dead ends. So I had to go through the gate, turn around, but I had to wait. So now we are going to go to the other Kellogg's, and now you get a chance to see both of them. So no trucks to the right. It's a development back there, and I've seen trucks go back there, and man, do they get stuck. I guess it's not a bad thing that I have to go over this other one, because it'll just let traffic lighten up a little bit through Atlanta, because I'll be past 8 o'clock leaving. So actually it's 8:11 now, so probably help that a little bit. So normally I would make a left turn here, but now I gotta go straight. This guy's blocking me, so you have to wait until he gets more straightened out. I could be like other truck drivers that drive over the sidewalk there, but I'm not going to do that. So this Kellogg's here is actually run by, I think, Ryder or something. But they, so what happened was that it changed. I'm going to Publix tomorrow, not to Sam's. So I'm actually going to Publix. So that's why I'm going over here to pick up. Yeah, when I got to this Kellogg's here and that one truck was there, I must have been sitting there 10-15 minutes. He was just sitting there waiting. And I guess has a load that's coming in, and they had a hard time trying to find out where his load number was. So I finally just walked up to the guard gate, and she let me go in the out entrance to go turn around and come back out. You used to be able to park on the side road back there, but then GE decided, I guess because all of us were parking back there on the side road, something happened. Somebody probably left trash or something, and they finally put a gate up, so I couldn't back up, couldn't do anything. So now it makes it like a dead end now, where you have to pull in there and turn around. So hopefully this truck's going to move now where I can get straight across. That's a dumb move. You gotta go across, dude. Real stupid move. Call them four-wheelers. Stupid move, four-wheeler. I was surprised I got that light, because usually that light doesn't stay green too long. So up here on the left is Caterpillar. Not here. I don't know what that is there. I forget. What is that place? Coaster? I guess Coaster Wheels. Yeah, there it is right there. A sign for Coaster Wheels. But up here on this little bend here is Caterpillar. And then we go to somewhat the same entrance. The truck entrance is here for Caterpillar. And where I turn in down here, it's an entrance for Caterpillar employees, but also the top of the hill is for Kellogg. So if you don't know where this place is, you have to be told kind of where this place is, kind of hidden. So because there's no sign here for Kellogg's, and it's the top of the hill here, and you would never know that it's up here. And then we park here on this hill too. You can see trucks parked here now. So we stay here overnight too. Now this place can get a little crowded, so hopefully it won't be. We'll see. Gotta take her nice and wide here because you got a curb. You got these trucks. no trucks coming. That's one of our guys there. That's Mark, the new guy that started with us. And I gotta wait here now. Alright, so we'll stop here, put us in off duty so don't waste our time. So I'll check in here at the guard gate and I'll be back again, guys. Alright, so we're going to drop in location 37, which is just down here on the left. Probably can't see the numbers, but this is 21, 22, and usually a lot of times there's something in my spot, but actually that might be open here. Let's see. If not, I'm just going to put it right here, wherever it says here. Yep, 37's right there. So there's spot 37. We're going to put it right in there. So we'll spin her around here a little bit. And we'll get her right in the hole there. You guys can see that. This is one of our brand new trailers, 8.7 series. I don't want to get rid of it, so I'm picking up an 8.2 trailer, which is one of our older trailers. Alright, so we got her in a one shot. That's good. Straightened out here. Here we are. Alright, we'll disconnect her here. Save our time, put herself in off duty. Well, let's go disconnect. Now here what you got to do, we have to disconnect and then we have to drive up, bobtail up to the front to get our paperwork and pick up the new trailer. Lay these down here in the catwalk, but I decided it's just a little safer and it takes the same amount of time. Just hook them up. Alright. Fifth wheel release. Now we're disconnected. Pull off. Alright. So now we'll head on down here to the office to get our paperwork and pick up our new trailer. So I will be right back. Alright, so we're going down to spot 47, it says. Our trailer number 82409. Picking up right by the one I dropped off. Yep, here it is, 82409, right down here on the left. Alright. So we just spin around here. Back up into it. was a little high, so we're going to check it real quick here. Yeah, it's a little high, so we're going to bring it down a little bit. Basically what I'm doing now is lowering the trailer onto the fifth wheel so we can hook up to it. It should be good. Yeah, it's good. So I hear a click. There it is. Okay. Go up the rest of it, all the airlines. Put the landing gear up, check the tires, the lights. Always spin underneath here and check. Make sure the fifth wheel is around the kingpin. I know it's boring to watch this, but sorry about that. Things I gotta do. Alright. Got the airlines. Blue line always goes on the blue, of course. Or if it's not marked blue, it's always the right side. Your lights. Go there. And red to red. Okay. Now what I usually do is I put some air in the lines, so in case you got to move the tandems. I got air back there. Let's see if there's light up there. It's so hard to tell. There we go. Oops, it's gone out again. Sometimes you gotta move these pins. Alright, stand up for now. Check it later. Could just be a little bit of moisture too. So we got a tag light. Check our tires. Make sure pins are in. Got mud flaps. Check our lights. This door's not shut right. There we go. I have to open up anyways when I get down to the guard gate. Let's see how she looks. Alright, she's not too bad. Should be light load. Alright, so got our lights, tag light, tag, mud flaps both sides. Tires look good. Not the best tires, but they'll do. Alright, lights good up there. Alright, so what I'll do my paperwork real quick, then I'll check out the guard gate, and then I'll do some filming leaving out of here. So I will be right back.